everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be discussing about a condition which we all have experienced in our life, that is headache. Now there are many causes for headache, but in today's video I'll be focusing mainly on basic types of headache. Now headache can occur in milder form or severe form. It can be either acute or chronic. Acute is it lasts for a short period of time, and chronic is it can last for weeks or months together. Now there are basically four types of headache. First one is tension type of headache. This is the most common type of headache experienced by people, and cause for such headache is muscle tension in scalp, neck or shoulder. Other causes can be loss of sleep, stress and poor posture. Coming to the symptoms, there will be dull, aching type of pain experienced in both sides of head, and the pain will last for weeks. Like the pain will be continuous and it will last for weeks. Okay. Next, second type of headache is migraine. Now this is more common in female, and under migraine there are two types, that is classical migraine and common migraine. Classical migraine is before headache starts, there will be some of the symptoms that is called as aura. So aura is a sensation that person will get headache. Okay, that is before headache there will be some symptoms. So if he gets the symptoms, then he'll know that okay, now I'm going to get headache. So these symptoms before headache can be any kind of visual disturbance or any kind of speech disturbance, or it can be even irritability. And common migraine, there will not be any aura, there will be just symptoms of migraine. Now, classical migraine is seen in 20% of the people and common migraine is seen in 80% of the people. Now, what are the causes for migraine? So, female are at a higher risk to develop migraine. Other than that, there can be stress, hormonal imbalance, any specific kind of diet can trigger, and also environmental factor. Now, people with migraine, the symptoms experienced by them are they will be sensitive to light, sensitive to noise, there will be nausea and vomiting along with headache. And migraine headache will be usually severe pulsating or throbbing kind of headache, usually in one side of the head. Okay. Now this headache can last for it can last only for a short period of time, that is 4 hours to maximum of 3 days. That's it. Next is cluster type of headache. Now cluster type of headache is common more in male. Now why it is called as cluster headache? It is because it occurs periodically, that is it occurs at the same hour and then it will remain for certain weeks. After that the person will be absolutely healthy for some period of time, and after that again it will occur at the same hour, again it will remain for weeks. So as it occurs in clusters, it is called as cluster headache. And here the pain will be especially in one side of the head and usually behind the eye region, and the symptoms along with headache will be lacrimation, that is watering of the eyes, and nasal congestion, that is nose block, can be present. Fourth type of headache is rebound headache or medication overuse headache. This occurs because when people use more of over-the-counter painkillers for headache for a long period of time, or in a larger dose for more than a period of 3 months, then they can experience headache because of medication overuse. So here there will be symptoms along with headache, like there can be irritability or difficult to concentrate. That's it for today's video. I hope this was informative. If it was, do share it with your friends and family. And do remember to subscribe to my channel and start your journey on being healthy. If you have any doubts or any questions, please leave it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.